Most people think they've lost their Walmart receipt forever once the paper copy disappears. But here's the truth no one tells you. If you made the purchase using your Walmart account, there's a good chance your receipt is already stored inside the Walmart app. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your Walmart receipt in the app in 2026, step by step. You'll also learn what to do if the receipt doesn't appear and how to access older purchase records. Let's get started. The fastest way to find a Walmart receipt is by opening the Walmart app and signing into the same account you used when making the purchase. Once you're logged in, tap the Account section. Depending on your app version, look for options such as Purchase History, Order History, or Purchase Details. If your purchase was made online, you'll usually see it listed immediately. Tap the order, and you'll be able to view transaction details, purchased items, payment information, and often a digital receipt. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many shoppers don't realize that some in-store purchases can also appear in the Walmart app. This is especially true if you used Walmart Pay, scanned your membership information, or connected the purchase to your Walmart account. Take John as an example. He threw away his paper receipt after buying a household item. A week later, he needed proof of purchase for a return. Instead of going back to the store, he found the transaction directly inside the Walmart app. But here's the problem. Not every purchase automatically appears in your account. If you checked out as a guest online or paid in-store without linking the transaction to your Walmart account, the receipt may not be available digitally. This is where most people fail. They search through the app for hours when the real issue is that they're signed into the wrong account. Always verify that you're using the same email address and Walmart account associated with the purchase. In a minute, I'll show you what to do if your receipt is still missing. First, try checking both your purchase history and order history sections. Some transactions may appear under different categories depending on how they were completed. Next, search your email inbox. Walmart often sends order confirmations and purchase records electronically for online purchases. If the receipt still isn't available, contact Walmart customer support or visit the store where the purchase was made. Having the purchase date, payment method, and approximate transaction amount can help locate the record. So here's the key takeaway. Open the Walmart app, sign into the correct account, check your purchase history, review order details, and search your email if necessary. You now know how to find Walmart receipts quickly in 2026. If this guide helped you recover a missing receipt, like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Walmart tips, app tutorials, and shopping guides.